In this tutorial, I want to show us how to make use of the VLOOKUP. For us to use the VLOOKUP, we start by writing an equals to and a VLOOKUP into the cell where we want to put the value we are looking for. And in this case now, we want to search for Z. And now we're going to click the Z because that's what we are searching for. Then we had a comma, then we'll come to the array where we are looking for the Z from. This is the array where we want to get the Z from. Then we'll put another comma and select the column of this array that we are looking for the value of Z from. Let's say we need that from column 4, and we'll put another comma, then we'll select the false for an exact match. And we'll come up here now, you see there's a 500 in front, showing us that in column 4 of this table, Z has a value of 500. Let's come down to where Z is here. As you can see, this is Z, and this is the value of 500. If we change this value of Z to anything else, it's going to give us an error in that answer. If we delete the Z from here, that means there's no Z any longer in this array that we selected. Now, if we go back up here, you see it's going to say it's not available. So that's how to make use of the VLOOKUP. If we come back here and we put the Z back in here, we insert the Z back in here and we'll go up, you see it's now showing us the 500. We can also do the same for any other column. Let's go to the column 3 in that array and still look for the Z. We say VLOOKUP Z, comma, the array, comma, the column 3 this time, comma, an exact match, which is false. Here we have a 26. If we come down to Z here, we see that the column 3 has 26. And likewise, the column 1, we can say equals to VLOOKUP also. What we're looking for is Z, and we want to search for it from this array down to the end, and then we want to search for it from column 2, and then comma, we want the exact match. If we click the enter, you see here we have 26, and that's exactly what is in the column 2 of Z here. So that's how to use the VLOOKUP. If we drag this down to the end, it gives us the same result for other values in these cells as well. As you can see, all the values have been populated, and this Z also is exactly the same thing for Z as we have it up here. This is C. C, we have 333, and which is correct. F, we have 666, which is correct. So whatever value we update here also updates here for any of these values that we are looking for. Let's say for the C, if we come here and we update C to a 7, 8, and 9. Now you can see C has updated here to a 7, 8, and 9 for the 3 columns that we entered respectively. So that's how to use the VLOOKUP in a nutshell. Thank you.